Okay, so here's what I did. I took the wheels off the other side. You noticed I had to use the big pull bar to get the lug nuts loose, and I put never seize on the lug nuts, and I put oil all up in the underside of here on the other side, and I looked at the brake lines on the other side. I felt like they were okay. Now this is the one that was leaking right here, and you can see it turns and went down into, let me find the piece I took out. I'll take my glove off because you probably can't see it if I don't. Alright, so this goes into that, and this used to go into that, and right in the twist is where it went bad. So I got this out, and I've got a straight piece of this, and I got this spring wire stuff that they put on here cleaned off of it, and that appears to be a good solid piece of metal there. What I'm going to attempt to do is cut a piece of this on a flat place, not where it's turning, but on a flat place, and then put the ferrule in it and the piece so that I can screw that line into another piece of line that I can screw into a nipple like this and put in here. So basically what I'm doing is cutting out the bad part and patching it. I've got a bunch of brake stuff over here. If y'all have hung out with me much, you've seen me do brake line repair before. Here is the I bought some of this new brake line a while back, and I should have all kind of fittings and stuff in here. I'm going to have to kind of pull everything out and see what I've got. And I've got a cutting tool, and I've got a tool for making my flares. I may have to pull everything out and see what I got, make sure I got all the pieces and parts I need to have, and find the best flaring tool. Some flaring tools are better than others. I've noticed recently they've come out with some new ones that they've been showing on Facebook. It looked like they work pretty good too. So what I'm going to do here is put the camera down and pull out my wire, pull out my flaring tubes and things like that, and we'll see what we need to do to make a patch for that. And it might involve a trip to the hardware store. We'll see.